Hey everyone, I'm Jason Chapman and welcome to MarineMax in Rogers. Today I have the pleasure of showing you a 2024 Harris 230 Sunliner Sport. Starting up here at the bow, we do have our flip up cleats right here, our docking lights, and this also has the fender clip system right here so you can clip in that fender and then easily take it on and off. We have the white paneling on the exterior, which looks really good on this boat. And then walking towards the swim platform here, this does have an extended swim platform, our safety railing, and it's powered by a Mercury 200 outboard. So let's hop up inside and check out some of the features. All right, so welcome inside. Starting here on the stern of the boat, you can see you have a nice area back here to hang out and relax. This seat does fold all the way down into a complete sun pad. And then you have seating on either side, tons of storage underneath these compartments right here. And then also a built-in cooler, which is nice. This boat does have the safety railing right here so that you can have passengers right back here legally when you're underway. And then really spacious cockpit area right here, captain and co-captain seating. We do have the high back seating as well that these chairs do swivel and adjust. And at the helm, digital throttle and shift. Again, we do have the 200 Mercury outboard, so a lot of power on this boat. And then the Simrad display screen, JL audio, so it's gonna be, all right, so at the helm here, we do have our captain and co-captain seating, both high back seats that do swivel and adjust. Also our tilt steering wheel, this does have the digital throttle and shift with the 200 horsepower outboard here, so a lot of power on the boat. And then our Simrad display screen, so it's gonna have all your chart plotting, engine diagnostics, everything's gonna be very accessible here at the helm. Taking a look here at the tower, this is a manual tower that does fold down. And then we also have our bimini that does go out this way for sun protection. And then in the middle here, we do have our in-floor storage. So Harris does a great job maximizing that third pontoon right here with the storage compartment. And then as we make our way up to the bow of the boat, we have seating on either side, cup holders, we have spots right here, USB ports to charge your phone, and tons of storage. So guys, this boat's located here at our store in Rogers. Come on by and take a look, give us a call. We'd love to show you around. Thanks.